we can go. So come on, girl.
Who cares about the trash? Got a pocket full of cash, we could go. Shots look for snow, and it's over.
Don't say no, no, no. Say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. 'Cause you're ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something fun to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it these dancing shoes? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. I can hear the ring, ring the choir bells sing like a fool. What you wanna do, yeah? 'Cause it's on, girl.
If you wake up and you wanna break up, that's cool. No, I won't let you. It was fun.
So say no, 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 no. Say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. Get ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something fun to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it these dancing shoes? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Just say I do.
Tell me right now, baby.
Right now, baby, baby, just say I do. Tell me right now, baby, baby.
Beautiful night, we're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry
Is it the look in your eyes, or is it these dancing shoes? Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Palakpakan naman for Janela and Marlo Mortel. Ayan, Janela, nako, magpasalamat ka na sa maraming mong fans ngayong hapon na to dito sa Marilao.
Ayan, of course, thank you so much for coming here sa SM Marilao and to spend time with us. Sobrang happy kami na kasama namin kayo. Worth it yung pagod namin dahil lahat kayo nanonood. So, thank you very much.
At syempre, si Marlo naman, mag-thank you ka. Ayun o,
Thank you po,
sa Marlo's World. Sa Marlo's World, I love you guys. Sa Marnela, lahat. Hello guys. Woo! Thank you po. At syempre, ayan o, pasalamatan.
Marnela pala.
Oo, pasalamatan natin ang SM Marilao. Ayan, syempre, pakita natin pakita natin yung ginawa natin kanina, yung Oh My G. Okay, one?
Okay. Ako.
Sige, okay. Siya muna.
Kailangan din ganun ha.
Okay,
Kailangan
go.
din action.
Paano yung cute? Paano?
Oh my G!
Yeah. Woo! 1, 2, everybody. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Lahat na kayo naging Sophie sa pena.
At syempre, pasalamatan din. Oo. Alam mo, hindi sila magpagdamayaw sa inyong dalawa. Ano ba ang aabangan namin dito sa Oh My G? Ayan, sa inyong dalawa, ano pa yung aabangan namin?
Abangan sa amin, syempre, more kilig, more fun. Madami pang mga kilig moments ang si Sophie at si Gabby. Abangan niyo po yan.
Oo. So this time, para kung makumpleto na, tawagin natin yung buong cast ng Oh My G. Tawagin natin si Tondo Romal, si Cocoy De Santos, si Julie Bergamino, si Patrick Sugi, si Paolo Gumabaw, si Kate Alejandrino, si Lian Valentin, and si Veronica Reyes. At syempre tawagin natin si Casey Pinucci, and of course, si Edgar Alan Guzman. Tawagin natin ang buong cast. Kasi of course, tawagin na rin natin si Manolo Pedrosa, ang buong cast ng Oh My G. Ayan. Yes! Ay, muli! Okay, muli! Muli po, invite natin sila. Yeah, eto.
Mga kapamilya, sana po panoorin nyo sa Buhay-Buhay ng Oh My G every 11:30 a.m. weekdays before it's showtime. Ayan.
Ayan po, sana po subaybayan po natin lahat ng Oh My G. 11:30 a.m. po sa ABS. Sabi na nila, so Oh My G, 11:30 a.m. po. Mondays to Friday. Ang mga sa lahat ng cast ng Oh My G, kasama na yung ating si Janelle Salvador and Marla Morgan. And Manolo Pedrosa.
Oy, yung mga boys naman natin, ayan, invite ulit natin sila.
Yes, iniimbita ko po kayong kanina, Oh My G, 11:30 a.m. Mondays to Friday po. Maraming salamat po.
Yay!
Kasama po sa pagsusupport niya sa Oh My G, panoorin po natin yan lagi before it's showtime.
Siyempre, huwag po natin papalampasin. 11:30 bago mag-hit showtime po. Marami pa po kami gawin pasabog para sa inyo.
And thank you all of you guys for the support. Thank you so much. Guys, Oh My G, 11:30 a.m. My real survivors. Thank you.
And of course, si Marlo, saka si Jamila and si Manolo, invite nyo ulit sila, Manolo.
Hello po, salamat po sa pag-support ng Oh My G.
Okay, si Marlo, ayan, invite ulit natin. Ayan.
Yes! Thank you po! Oh My G.
Tapos si Janela, ayan si Janela.
Hello! Thank you so much sa lahat ng nag-support sa journey ni Sophie Cepeda at sana abangan niyo pa po yung susunod na episode.
Correct. Uy, sabay-sabay naman tayo, lahat tayo, magagano tayo. Oh My G, okay lang? Lahat tayo, okay lang? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh My G! Palakpakan nyo naman ang cast!
Thank you very much.
Ng Oh My G! Ayan. Ibigay natin to sa kanila. Ayan.